Lucky Pandey, a 17 years old boy from Balra makes a new world records for his solo book Aakhir Kyun, and his name enters in the Inzoid Book of World Records 2021. Lucky Pandey, a 17 years old boy from Ballia, Uttar Pradesh, makes a new world record for his solo book Aakhir Kyun, which contains poetry on theme as rape, which contains bilingual too, and is enough to teach the lessons of humanity, and his name enters in the Inzoid Book of World Records 2021. About the author, Lucky Pandey, a 17 years old from Ballia, Uttar Pradesh, is a multi-record holder and has passed a secondary examination in 2020-21 and have a great desire to serve the nation by cracking NDA exam. He is an author of a solo book Aakhir Kyun, which contains poetry on the theme as rape, which contains bilingual too, and is enough to teach the lessons of humanity. This book is also recorded in the India Book of Record. He is also the record participant of International Yoga Day event organized by OMG Book of World Record and Inzoid Book of World Record. He is the co-founder of writing community Words of Soul, which has 125 plus writers which continuously work hard, and Words of Soul hosting lots of events as Jugalbandi, Insta contest, YouTube contest, daily challenge, etc. He is co-author of many anthologies. He is a student of Phonax International School. In his school time, he has participated in many competitions such as speech, essay writing, sport, even hosting, etc. He is a zonal player of hockey and a blue belt in karate, but he is much more passionate towards NDA and writing. About the book. This book contains Hindi as well as English poetry. According to the author, my poetry shows you the second phase of society and a person. Especially, I focused on girls' rape, causes, abortion, society pressure, and so on causes. I write this book because I personally feel that exploitation of girls increasing rapidly. After reading my poetry, I'm sure that you are going to get humanity lessons and it can create respect for women in your mind. This book of mine contains Hindi and English poetries. Through this book, my poetries show you the phase of society where we give equal chances to males and females when it comes on bad behavior and rapes. I personally feel when we talk about giving respect and equality, one should get equality in every aspect. After reading this, I hope to assure you all readers that you will have a good humanity lessons and your views and respect for the society, especially for women, will increase. Some mind-blowing reviews of the readers which make place in my heart are given here. After reading this book, I got goosebumps because in our society for rape and bad behavior, most of the time boys are considered to be wrong, but sometimes girl can also be wrong. And this book is perfectly defying this feature. And also the author has mentioned it as the second phase of this society that our society should look for. ये किताब पढ़ के काफ़ी उम्दा लगा, बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझाया और नारी पर हो रही अत्याचारों पर लिखा गया है। आगे भी लिखिए ऐसे ही समाज को संबोध की और जागरूक करते रहें। A young poet with dynamic approach to the burning issues of society. An author who reaches to the core emotion of readers with wonderful command over words. It is also an eye-opener for the world who seeks and try to believe only one side of truth. For any new author to venture against a set through process of society needs to have courage made for pure steel. Reading this book sometimes brought tears in eyes, sometimes avalanche of emotions and anger. A poet who was able to justify every word and much more strongly recommended to be read by all age groups. A eye-opener. With regards, Lucky Pandey. Author's personal life. Author's name Lucky Pandey. Father's name Sujit Pandey. Mother's name Rinki Pandey. Favorite dish Shahi Paneer. Inspiration of writing industry Dulaf Sarkar, Dr. Nikita Dadagi, Nas Malik Khan and Zuhi Sharma. Favorite color yellow. Birthplace Balia, Uttar Pradesh. Date of birth 10th of April 2004. Educational institution name Phoenix International School. Education qualification as per as 2021 12th standard. Father's profession farmer. Mother's profession housewife. Author's favorite subject literature and physics. Author's ambition want to join NDA National Defense of Academy.